Hey, it's Evan here, showing you how to make passive income in the DeFi and crypto space, mainly with farming and staking and plug-and-play devices. And today, I'm going to show you in 30 seconds how to add Arbitron to your MetaMask. So here we are at Arbitron. You bridge.arbitron.io. Even if you're just to throw it in there into Google, you just go down to Arbitron Bridge. Now what do? Well, we go to Explorer. They're pretty much the same thing as Etherscan. We go to their mainnet, click on that. Okay, now this looks familiar. Maybe it looks like Polyscan, Etherscan. Make sure to more or less unlock your wallet. Then go down the lower right-hand corner. Click. Up. Just one sec. All right, so after adding your password, this will pop up after clicking that Add Arbitrum Network MetaMask button. Just press Approve. And then we're going to approve that. We're going to switch the network to Arbitrum. And welcome to one of the easiest ways on how to add Arbitron to your MetaMask wallet. If you like these videos about how to make passive income in the DeFi space, farming, staking, plug-and-play devices, follow me. And I will see you guys soon on another video.